The Holochain token, also known as HOT, is the native cryptocurrency of the Holochain platform. It serves several important functions within the ecosystem, including facilitating transactions. HOT can be used as a means of exchange within the Holochain ecosystem, allowing users to buy and sell goods and services, or to make transactions within dApps built on the platform. Incentivizing network participation. HOT is used to incentivize network participants to perform tasks that are necessary for the network's operation and security, such as validating transactions. Governance. HOT holders have a say in the direction and development of the Holochain protocol, allowing them to vote on changes and suggest new features. Collateral. HOT is used as collateral to secure the network, by requiring users to lock up a certain amount of HOT in order to participate in network activities such as hosting a node. It's also worth mentioning that the total supply of HOT is fixed and is distributed through a process called bonded proof of stake, which is a variation of the traditional proof of stake consensus algorithm. This means that the distribution of HOT is determined by the amount of HOT that is locked up as collateral by validators, and the more HOT that is locked up, the more likely a validator is to be chosen to validate transactions and earn rewards. One of the key benefits of the Holochain token is that it enables the platform to be more scalable and efficient compared to traditional blockchain platforms. Because each agent on the network has their own chain, rather than a single shared ledger, it allows for faster and more efficient processing of transactions and reduces the amount of data that needs to be stored and synchronized across the network. It's also worth noting that the Holochain ecosystem is designed to be highly modular and customizable, which allows for a wide range of different types of applications to be built on the platform. This includes everything from social media and messaging apps, to decentralized marketplaces and sharing economies, to gaming and virtual reality platforms. One of the key use cases for the Holochain token is in decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, where it can be used to facilitate peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and trading of assets. Because the Holochain platform is designed to be highly scalable and efficient, it's well suited for use in DeFi applications that require high throughput and low latency. The Holochain token has also been used in various projects such as Holo, a decentralized hosting platform, and Scepter, a general-purpose platform for building decentralized applications, which makes it a versatile token that can be used in many different ways. Overall, the Holochain token is an important part of the Holochain ecosystem, providing various functions such as medium of exchange, governance, and collateral, and enabling the platform to be more efficient and scalable, which makes it a great choice for decentralized applications. But what are the differences between Holochain and blockchain? Holochain and blockchain are both technologies for building decentralized systems, but they have some key differences. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology, DLT, that uses a chain of blocks to store data in a decentralized way. Each block contains a set of transactions and is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks. This creates a tamper-proof and transparent ledger that is maintained by a network of nodes. Blockchain is best known for being the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Holochain, on the other hand, is a type of distributed hash table, DHT technology that allows each agent on the network to have their own chain, rather than a single shared ledger. This allows for faster and more efficient processing of transactions and reduces the amount of data that needs to be stored and synchronized across the network. Holochain is designed to be highly modular and customizable, which allows for a wide range of different types of applications to be built on the platform. One of the main differences between Holochain and blockchain is that Holochain is more efficient and scalable than blockchain because it doesn't require each node to have a full copy of the ledger, and it allows for more parallel processing of transactions. On the other hand, blockchain is more secure and tamper-proof because it uses consensus algorithms that make it difficult for bad actors to tamper with the ledger. Another difference between Holochain and blockchain is that Holochain is designed to be more energy efficient than blockchain. Because Holochain doesn't require each node to have a full copy of the ledger, It reduces the amount of data that needs to be stored and synchronized across the network. This means that Holochain uses less computational power and energy than blockchain. Additionally, Holochain allows for more flexibility in terms of data structures and validation rules, as each agent can have their own chain and set their own validation rules. This allows for a wide range of different types of applications to be built on the platform, such as social media and messaging apps, decentralized marketplaces, and virtual reality platforms. In contrast, blockchain is mainly used for financial transactions and smart contracts, and it has a more rigid data structure and validation rules. In conclusion, Holochain and blockchain are both decentralized technologies, but they have different characteristics and are suitable for different use cases. Holochain is more efficient, scalable and flexible, while blockchain is more secure and tamper-proof. Depending on the use case, one technology may be better suited than the other. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video and subscribe to join us on this journey.